Saraswati Sisukunj Borsat, Standard 1st, English Medium, Subject EVS, Chapter 6, Food, Part 2. Hello students, Jai Hind everyone. So, in the first part of video, we started chapter number 6, Food, okay? So, in that first part, we learn about that we should eat different kinds of food because food gives us energy. Food keeps us healthy. Food helps us to grow. Okay? And we should eat different kinds of food to grow strong and healthy. We also learn that which are called different kinds of food, then rice, wheat, ragi, dals, nuts, beans, eggs, meat, chicken, fish, vegetables, fruits, milk, curds, cheese, butter and ghee are different kinds of food. See here in this picture, look at the picture. These are called different kinds of food and we should eat these different kinds of food because it makes us strong and healthy. Now let's move further. Sources of food means from where we get our food. We get most of our food from plants. We get most of our food from plants. For example, vegetables and fruits. From where we get it? We get it from trees or plants. Like this, rice, wheat, corn, grams, nuts, dals, coffee, tea, cocoa, chilies, pepper, cooking oils, fruits and vegetables are all plant products. Sources of food once again means from where we get the food. We get most of our food from plants, right? For example, rice, wheat, corn, grams, nuts, dals, coffee, tea, cocoa, chilies, pepper, cooking oils, fruits and vegetables are all plant products. So these things we get it from the plants. Now we get milk, eggs, meat and fish from animals. We get milk, eggs, meat and fish from animals. So these things we get it from plants and these things we get it from animals. Now let's see. Eat at the right time means we should eat at the right time. Look at here in this picture. We eat breakfast in the morning. We eat breakfast in the morning. We have lunch at noon. We have lunch at noon. We eat dinner at night. We eat dinner at night. So we should eat at the right time like this way. Breakfast in the morning, lunch at noon and dinner at 9. Now let's see which are called. Now look at here. Good food and bad food. Good food and bad food. Look at here. All these pictures. Why here cross? Because it is not a good food. Why it is not good food? Look at here. Because it is open. And it is called stale or improperly stored food. So that we can't eat this kind of food. Why it is right? Because it is a good food. Look at here. Vegetables, fruits, all things are there. Fish, right? So we should eat this type of food. Means these different kinds of food. That is why here it is a tick mark. Then after, why it is cross? Because a boy who is eating chips, drinking Coca-Cola's, burger. So we should not eat this kind of junk food. Okay? So that's why it is cross here, because it is considered as a bad food. Look at here. In this picture, a boy who is eating all these different kinds of food. For example, vegetables, fruits, dals, nuts, ragi, eggs. Okay. That's why here it is a tick mark, because it is considered a good food. It is also not considered a good food. That's why cross here. We should not eat outside food. Okay. Now let's see. Eating properly cooked food keeps us healthy. Eating properly cooked food keeps us healthy. So we should eat only properly cooked food, because this food keeps us healthy. Stale. STL is stale, means not fresh. Stale or improperly stored food can make us sick, and that is why we should not eat stale or improperly food, because it makes us sick, because we become sick. Sick means we become ill. Okay. Foods such as ice creams, cakes and colas are not good for the body. Foods such as ice creams, cakes and colas are not good for the body. We should have these only once in a while. So such food like ice cream, cake and colas are not good for our body. So we should have only this food only once in a while. We should not eat it every day. Okay. Now let's see the next topic. Good eating habits. Good eating habits. Number 1. Eat at the right time. So as I explained earlier, that we should eat at the right time. In the morning, we take breakfast, we take lunch at noon, and we have dinner at night. So this is how we should eat at the right time. Number 2. Wash your hands before you eat. So whenever you are eating, so before eating, you should wash your hands, because it is considered a good habit. Put small portions of food into your mouth. Eat slowly. You should eat small portions of food into your mouth. Eat slowly, and you should eat slowly, not so fast, and you should put small portions, not big portions. Okay, you should put small portions of food into your mouth, and you should eat slowly. Chew your food well. Chew your food well means you should chew the food properly. Don't swallow it. Then after, eat different kinds of food, especially vegetables and fruits. Means you should eat different kinds of food like wheat, rice, dals, nuts, ragi, vegetables, fruits, eggs, milk, butter, ghee. Okay, so these are called different kinds of food, and you should take different kinds of food. Avoid eating too much fried food and too many sweets. Avoid eating too much fried food and too many sweets. Means fried food means a food cooked in hot oil. Fried food means food cooked in hot oil. So you should avoid too much fried food, eating too much fried food and too many sweets. Means you should not eat too much fried food as well as too much or too many sweets. Then after, do not speak with food in your mouth. Do not speak with food in your mouth. So whenever there is a food in your mouth, don't speak. Why? Because the food can get stuck in your throat or spill out. Because the food can get stuck in your throat or spill out. Look at here. If you will speak when there is a food in your mouth, then it will be stuck in your mouth, then it will be stuck in your throat, or else it will be spilled out. Okay? So you should not speak while there is a food in your mouth. Then after, finish all your food. Do not waste any. Finish all your food. Do not waste any. Okay? Rinse your mouth with water after eating. Rinse your mouth after eating. Okay? Look at here in this picture. A boy who is rinsing her mouth after eating. Do not eat while playing. Do not eat while playing. Do not walk around with food in hand. Sit in one place and eat. Means you should not allow to eat food when you are playing. You should sit in one place and you should complete it only in one place. Do not eat while watching television. Do not eat while watching television. Okay? Most of the boys are eating while watching television, but it is a bad habit. So you should not do it, or you should not eat the food while watching television. Drink plenty of water through the day. Drink plenty of water through the day. Means you should drink maximum water per day. You should drink maximum water. So these all are good eating habits. Okay? You should eat at the right time. You should wash your hands properly before eating. Then after eating, you should rinse your mouth. You should not eat food while watching TV. Okay? So these things you have to keeping in your mind and you should follow it. Okay? Because it is a good eating habits. So students, let's recall it once again that what we learned from this lesson. Okay? So we learned that about food. Why food is important? Because food gives us energy. Food gives us energy. Food helps us to grow. Good food keeps us healthy. Stale and junk food can make us sick. Stale and junk food can make us sick. We get our food from plants and animals. We get our food from plants and animals. Which food we get from plants? Then vegetables, fruits, dal, nuts, grams. Okay, these things we get from plants, and from animals we get milk, eggs, meat, chicken. Okay, so this is how we get such food from plants and animals. Okay, thank you.